Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to Amara's kitchen. Today we'll be making this delicious and good looking basmati rice in a rice cooker. Yes, very simple, very delicious. Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time on this channel, you're very welcome to my channel. Do not forget to smash that subscription button. And for my returning subscriber, thank you all for your support. Stay tuned guys, let's get started. First of all, on the skillet pot, we'll go ahead and add about 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Once the oil heats up, we'll add a teaspoon of ginger and garlic and we'll stir that up. Then we'll go ahead and add some seasoning, and on the screen here I'll be showing you the seasoning that I'm using, but you can go ahead use any favorite seasoning of your choice. Okay, so I'll go ahead and add some dry bay leaf. Yes, I'm adding dry bay leaf. If you have the fresh one, that would be great, but I haven't seen the fresh one, so I use the dry one. So I also added 1 chili spice. So I'll go ahead and add in my chicken breast. I already washed them and chopped them up to the size that I want. So go ahead and chop yours to your preferred size. I'll go ahead and stir that off for a few minutes, about 2 minutes, just to let it cook through a little bit. So after 2 minutes, I'll go ahead and add in my chopped up onions. Yep. So I'll stir that around and let it cook for another minute or so. So what I did next, I kind of switch them, like just shift them a little bit to the side. Then on the other side, I'll go ahead and add 2 fresh eggs. So I will stir them up together until they are halfway cooked through. Then I'll mix everything up once they are cooked halfway. So I'll stir everything and everything will be combined. So the next step, I'll be adding some mixed vegetables. You can use any vegetables of your choice. So I'm using some carrots, some peas, some carrots, some peppers. So I also have a list of the stuff that I'm using, including some celery. You can use any favorite vegetable of your choice. So it's up to you what you choose to use in your recipe, guys. Alright, do not forget to smash that subscription button, guys. Yes, and turn on the notification bell as well. So we'll go ahead and cover that up and let it simmer for about 2 minutes. Meanwhile, while we're waiting, I'll go ahead and wash 2 cups of basmati rice. So after washing the rice and the vegetables have been cooking for about 2 minutes now, so I'll go ahead and pour in the rice. So once I add the rice in, I will go ahead and stir up everything together and fry them for about 2 to 3 minutes. So this rice was so amazing, so delicious, guys. You have to give this a try. So after stirring for about 2 to 3 minutes, I'll go ahead and transfer all the rice in a rice cooker. So once I have all the rice transferred inside a rice cooker, so I'm using 5 cups size of rice cooker. So but I'm cooking the rice, this is like 2 cups of rice in a 5 cups rice cooker. So I'll add 2 tomatoes. So you can use 1 large tomatoes if you have the large one. So I'm using medium size, so I'm adding just 2 medium size. So I also added some parsley, and then I'm adding some salt and pepper. I'm adding some black pepper. I added salt before. So after everything, I'll go ahead and top this up with 2 cups of water. And this rice is almost ready, guys. So this rice was so amazing, like I told you guys before. So I'll go ahead and place that right inside my rice cooker. And I'll close that up. And I'll go ahead and turn it on. And that's it. I'll see you guys after 10 minutes. Yes, after 10 minutes this rice is done. It doesn't take that long. This rice is so done and tastes so amazing. So the next we have to go ahead and smash that tomatoes and mix everything up together properly. So the rice was smelling so good. This smells so amazing. I can't tell you guys how much this smells, but I wish you can give it a try. Go ahead and give this rice a try. You will love it. No stress, no hustle, just very simple recipe you can put together. So at this point I have finished combining the tomatoes and the rice together. So I'm topping that up with some soy sauce. I'm using soy sauce, oyster sauce and black sesame oil. So you also have that on the screen right there, so you can use any soy sauce of your choice. So those are like my favorite soy sauce that I like to use. So that's I'm adding them. So I go ahead and stir everything up together again while the rice is still piping hot. Yes, you don't want to add the soy sauce when it's cold. Nope. So it's better to do it when the rice is still hot. So it's time to dish this out, guys. Look at that, it's looking so amazing, right? Even the color alone will tell you that this rice is delicious. So delicious, I can't say that enough. So look at those tomatoes. Everything was so delicious, guys. So this rice is like a perfect rice that you can make for like get together. If you're having like a potluck get together, this is a perfect simple rice you can put together in no time. So in less than 20 minutes this rice was ready. So guys, it's time to dig in. My favorite part of cooking, digging in. Yes, so these are so delicious. I hope you guys like this recipe, and I also hope you give it a try, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Meanwhile, go ahead and smash that subscription button if you haven't done so already. Yes guys, and for my returning subscriber, thank you all so much for your support. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you all on my next video. So for now, I'll go ahead and sit down and enjoy this rice to the fullest. I'll see you guys on my next video. Have a wonderful day. Stay safe, stay blessed. Bye bye.
Shine a light I can see.